Now I am going to introduce you about a very important and very popular t-shirt that is in demand. Yes, I have bought it from the courier company and I am showing it from its unpacking. See the package. This type of package generally come, but as it is t-shirt, so the package is quite bigger. Yes, here. The bigger package is here. The company here, Amazon.in. The package is here. See the company address. You may contact the website also. This is the Amazon company, Amazon.in, IN for India. And this is the direction. Yes, the items must be remained in their original packing, including hangers, playbacks, hang tags. I actually it is all. Yes, it is important if you want to return them. Yes, it's here. All is here. The details upper side. Yes, the details. COD means cash on delivery. It's payable on the time of delivery. The address is the barcode for the details. Yes, the amount cash on delivery, and this shipping to means shipped address. DDX all the people share quantity. World address. It is the barcode. The details. The large details here. Here you can see the package. It is something fleshy like what is inside it. I am curious to see it, but see the Amazon logo is also here, but the omission of orange color is quite evident. Yes, I am going to unpack it. The buy. Yes, so I am scissoring the packet from this side. Yes, as I have a t-shirt, a cotton t-shirt inside, so some protection must be necessary here in the time of scissoring, and I am going to do so. Yes, yes, you must be cautious to do this. See there, and I am turning open the packet. Yes, here the Roman nuns, Roman Empire, the Roman nuns logo. Yes, the famous wrestler Roman Reigns. See the bill here, like the trader's bill. Is here anything? No, nothing is here. So this, sure. So I say here, shipping address, bill sold by, all is here. Sold by means company, and the billing address is here. The shipping address is also here. See, there. All is here. See this, and here you can see this. This is the amount. Yes, here. Now I am showing the main packet at back means t-shirt. See, this is the barcode. Yes, barcode of the t-shirt. This you can take the details of the t-shirt from here. Its quality size XL, extra large size. Yes, and the company is Attitude Design it is also here. It is the design it is, the size is here. And now I am going to opening the packet. Yes, it is done. Yes, it is. I am going to open the packet. Yes, this is the packet, and this is the t-shirt. The color is black. As it is desired, see the motto of Romanian, sphere no one, sphere everyone. In the back side, that is printed, and in the front, yes, I am coming to the front here. See, Roman Empire, then Romanian's logo, Roman Empire, Romanian's logo, and regions here. The famous Ristlars logo. See on the back here. This is Roman Empire. The color and the color matching is impressive. So, yeah. What is there? See the logo. Total logo is here. And back on the regions. It is fantastic. The layout is quite fantastic. And I am scratching this to see the it is double XL. Was separately means washing instruction is here, and it is made in India. Soft iron, don't bleach, dry and set. What is here? It is soft, very soft. And now I am going to introduce you about its threads. See, threads are also quite fine. This is the size, and no, nothing is there. It's only red line is there. And threads are quite fine and tight. Here. And see, the computerized stitches is very fine. The embroideries are also in black color and very fine quality. See, here is some of something. It's nothing of it, but it is quite tight. Going back with this, all threads are quite fine. See, all the threads here means embroidery thread. Not embroidered actually, all of them are interlocked. Yes, all the interlocked are very fine. See the tool sizes here, and you can see it from here. That is bye bye.